Why are there so many bomb threats in Montego Bay? I'm not just talking about the two that happened this week. Yes, two in 1 week. On Wednesday, March 23rd, 2022, there was a bomb threat at the Sagicor complex in Montego Bay. According to this article, the fire brigade received the call at 2:25 p.m. and responded to the call by sending 3 fire trucks, evacuating the building, and diverting traffic in the vicinity. The threat was supposedly for a pharmacy in the building. Thankfully, they found nothing. Then another one happened today, March 24th, seemingly at KFC, no confirmation on that as yet. I must admit I'm a little iffy about this one because I haven't seen anything in the news as yet about it. But I had to share it because there's talk going around that it happened.
I have never seen the KFC parking lot so empty.
But this has been happening very often recently. In August 2020, there was another threat, this time at a gas station located on Howard Cook Boulevard. This call came in the afternoon as well. 2019 saw another bomb threat. This time, they claimed that a bomb was planted at a gas station on Barnett Street. Once again, no explosive device was found. In 2018, it was reported that a call center located on East Street in Montego Bay received multiple calls claiming that an explosive device was planted in the building. Once again, no such device was found. In 2008, Sangster International Airport had to close because they received a similar call minutes to 9 on a Monday morning. These people are wasting time and valuable resources almost every year, not to mention the lost revenue for businesses affected. Apparently, they do not realize how serious this is. If caught, they could be faced with a number of charges, including but not limited to public mischief. But this isn't happening in Montego Bay alone. Earlier in March, someone called in that a device was planted at the Sutton Street Court in downtown Kingston. Nothing was found. In 2011, there was a bomb scare at the office of the Prime Minister, leading to the evacuation of the premises. No such device was found after an extensive search. Also in 2011, there was a bomb threat to the Norman Manley International Airport. That person was found and charged with terrorism activity and public mischief. I'm pretty sure there are more incidents of these threats. The question is, should the people found guilty of this crime also be fined?